My dad did one of my YouTube workouts, and this is what he had to say.
Okay, honey. I just got back from my walk because your workout was really hard. I couldn't keep up with you. You're really fast. And I pulled my groin, so I had to give up some of the leg exercises and do more arm stuff. But I'm gonna get into shape so I can eventually catch up to you, and then I'll be at your speed, and then you can be proud of me. But for now, I'm damaged goods, trying to be a mere shadow of your image in the fitness world, my little honey.